Welcome back to Mujahid-Official 12. In this video, I will show to you how to add rectangle border or rectangle crop to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, take this rectangle tool, draw a rectangle on the area on which you want to add a rectangle. So here it is showing only stroke. In your case, it will show this fill. First of all, adjust it according you want. I want it like this. Click on Windows and click Essential Graphics. This is the property panels. First of all, under Essential Graphics, here you can see this corner radius. You can keep this rectangle in the same way, but I want to round the corner of this rectangle. Under Align and Transform, you can see this corner radius. I want it to like 83 to 85, like this. It is good for me. Close this panel, expand the effect control panels, increase your rectangle timeline to your video. So first of all, don't confuse. On the timeline there are two videos. First is screen recording and second is my b-roll video, and this is the rectangle. Basically what I want apply this rectangle on my b-roll video. And yeah, one more thing my friend, if you want to edit this rectangle, so double click on this rectangle and click once on the rectangle and this edit panel will show up here. First of all, let me expand down it, and you can change the fill color whatever you want. For example, I want white, and you can also do other thing as well. Turn off this fill, check off these strokes, and you can change the color whatever you want. I am doing it red. Increase or decrease its stroke width, so I want to keep it something like this, 23 to 25, and you can select it outro, inner or center. I am doing it to center. Close this panel, expand effect control panel, select your b-roll video, click on the effect controls panel. Now you have to crop your video according to this rectangle. Come to effects panel. If you don't find this effects panel here, go to Windows and make sure that effects panel is checked. This you can press Shift plus 7. In the effects, search for crop. Drag this crop to your b-roll video. You can crop it like this or you can add values. So I am doing this manually like this. So you can do it in the way that it easy for you. It is done, but the problem is that the corner around this rectangle, you can see this like this corner and this corner on the top. First thing is you can increase the edge feather, but it's not working here. We will do this job in the better way. Again, come to effects panel and search for rough edge. Drag this rough edges on your b-roll video. Once you do it, in the rough edges you will find a lot of options. Don't confuse, we will just adjust only one or two out of all. In the border, make sure increase the border length to like 200, like this. Put the value 200. The second last thing, in the fractal influence, make sure it is 0. Hit the enter and see my friend, magic. Wow. If I expand on it and increase like this, what the beautiful. Wow. Expand this panel. It is done, but the problem is both will not move together. If you move one of them, both will not move together like this. Undo this, select both of them, rectangle and your b-roll video, right click on it and click next, click OK. Now it is a nest, it will move together. And if you want to edit it later, you can double click on this nest and both layer will be showed up here like this way, and you can edit them one by one here. And once you edit, so simply press Ctrl or Command S and it will automatically save in this layer 1. I don't want to interrupt it, so simply close it. I want to position it, so select this nest layer and go to effect controls. Under motion, simply adjust the position like this or whatever or wherever you want. I will just scale down it to like 95. Hit the enter, and I don't want to scale it. I just like it in the same way. You can also edit manually by just double clicking on this nest layer, and here both the layer will show up here and you can edit one by one. Okay friend, simply render it and play it. Let me render it, then I will show you. Now let's just play it. Wow. As you can see my friend, this is the final results. But one more thing I have noticed here, I don't know or have you also noticed it or not. The problem is here, if you see on the top, you will find some like edges. I don't know if you can see it, but what you can do it, simply double click on the nest, double click on this rectangle and click once on this rectangle, and under appearance, right on the stroke, click on it and click on outro. I think think it will fix our problem, and hope so this fix our problem. Let me show you. Here is the before and here is the after. Yeah, let's just play. You can see the final results here. But again, one more thing I am noticing here in the rectangle, this blurry edges. I don't want it. Simply double click on this again. Select your B-roll video. Go to effect controls and go to this crop. Go to crops and make sure the bottom crop is not too much. I think we have to adjust it like this. And yeah, hopefully our problem have been fixed up here. Again, go to crop and simply set it like this. Hopefully our problem is fixed. And yes, I have just adjusted. Finally, press Ctrl Command S and just simply expand it. And now if I render it, and this is my friend the final results. As much you put the work hard, so the better and the stunning results you will get.
I hope, my friend, this video helps to you, and if it did, so make sure to give us a like and also make consider to subscribe. And not just to subscribe, ring the bell so that you, my friend, can don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks, or tutorials. So, meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.